Hey up everyone. Mechanically and technically, the Honda Pan-European is a bike like no other. It began life in 1990 as the ST1100. Then in 2002, capacity was increased and we got the ST1300. The ST1300 then continued in production until 2012. The V4 engine is mounted longitudinally rather than in line like the VFR. Unless you count the motors, this is the only full production longitudinally mounted V4 I can remember being made, although I do look forward to any corrections you have on this one. And I guess it wouldn't surprise me if some old British firm had tried it in the early years. Anyway, I digress. The Pan-European took much of the tech from the Goldwing at the start, but the idea was a lighter, faster, more nimble touring bike than the Goldwing. The engine was complex and over-engineered, the shaft drive was all but unbreakable, and the high-speed comfort really was unmatched. In real terms, it was aimed at the European market sector that BMW had dominated. The Honda was a far faster and smoother alternative to what many riders saw as the boring Tourers available at the time. The ST1100 produced around 100 horsepower and the ST1300 around 120. This gave them a top speed of around 140 miles an hour, but they would sit at 130 miles an hour all day in comfort, carrying a passenger and as much luggage as you liked, and they would still scrape the pegs down on twisty mountain roads. If you are looking for long-haul torque comfort at speed, there aren't many bikes that do it as well as the Pan-European. Prices are about as low as they will get now, and the engine and running gear is all reassuringly reliable. They are a big bike, but not as big and heavy as the Goldwing or some others. Centre of gravity is lower on the ST1300, so they feel a little lighter, especially at low speed. As long as maintenance has been done, the mileage of these bikes gets a bit irrelevant. I've seen more Pan-Europeans with 100,000 plus miles than any other bike, so look for service history and any signs that someone hasn't taken the care they should have. Build quality in general is as good as it gets. They might not be the coolest or best looking bikes on the market, but they will reliably get you there fast and in comfort, wherever there might be. If the Pan-European is summed up as comfort at speed, then the next bike turns that around as speed with comfort. I hope you've enjoyed the video and can take the time to look around the channel. If you enjoyed this one, then part 1 of the Bombproof bikes video and the bargain bikes videos of the 80s and 90s should keep you smiling too. I will link them below in the description. As always, thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing your comments about the bikes I have inevitably missed. If you got this far and haven't already, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing means you get to find out first when our regular updates, news, views and other videos go out each and every week. It all helps kick the YouTube algorithm into gear and gets the channel out there to new potential viewers. Please share the video with anyone you think will be interested too if you could. The YouTube algorithm is a fickle beast, so it's really helpful for me if you can share it around. You can visit the website or the Redbubble shop linked in the description below for the best biker t-shirts and other merchandise, and there are more exciting motorcycle adventures and other stories from the shed and beyond on the website too. So why not grab yourself a cuppa and take a look around. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. I hope you get some great riding in. Ride free everyone.